The all-new 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter commercial van has been revealed, and besides new styling, it comes with an array of interesting features. Starting with the look of the van, the grille is narrower, and the headlights are thinner and wider. The lights also sit higher up. As for the rest of the van, any extraneous greases have disappeared from the side, and the taillights have been squared off. Inside, the interior has moved toward current Mercedes design, with the center stack dominated by a tablet-like black rectangle. Here, a 10.25-inch infotainment screen can be fitted along with the second implementation of the Mercedes MBUX interface, the first being the new A-Class. Other available technology: the Sprinter will be Mercedes Pro Connect, which allows fleet managers to monitor where vans are, ascertain whether they need fuel or other fluids, keep track of general maintenance information, and manage driving assignments. Another new Sprinter feature is the availability of front-wheel drive. The company says that this enables greater payload capacity, since there isn't a large axle and driveshaft adding weight to the van, and without the driveline components underneath, the floor can be made lower. It specifically highlighted the advantages of this layout for camper vans. Unfortunately for the United States, we'll only be getting rear-drive and all-wheel drive versions. Either way, we're struggling to think of many other vehicles that have been available with either front or rear-wheel drive. Renault 21, Rover 75. Your help in the comments would be welcomed. The United States will also only get a 9-speed automatic, whereas Europe will have manual options. What is coming here, however, is a new electric version of the van called the e-Sprinter. Mercedes didn't reveal any information about range or power for this version, but it said it would be targeted at city use, so don't expect particularly long range. The electric version will go on sale in Europe in 2019, but the specific US date wasn't revealed. The gasoline Sprinter will go on sale here toward the end of this year.